Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Breville PES870XL espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it wasn't being used for over a year, and when we tested out the machine, the water pump needed to be replaced, as well as the three-way solenoid valve that is located around here on the machine. And now the machine is working perfectly fine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test out the machine. Hopefully the grind that I use on this machine is perfect for it, otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. And unfortunately it's gonna be coffee barely dripping. This grind is way too fine for this machine. As you can see, it's over the espresso range and it's going all the way over here. But it's actually keeping up pretty good. This is where you want your espresso range to be, and the pressure of the machine is doing great. Yeah, unfortunately you can totally see that it's super fine for this machine. Needs to be way more coarser. Well, there you have it. Coffee water coming out of the drip head, which wasn't coming out before, and hot water working perfectly fine as well as the steam. Which is gonna take a little bit since we pretty much need to build some pressure in here. Now that it's doing on pressure, we're gonna see it working right now. As you can see, having really good pressure, it's working really perfectly fine. Very nice. And there you have it, Breville working once again. So thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee, and please subscribe to the channel for more content like this every day.